If you're looking for a great way to recover a stuck vehicle when you're out on the trail or off-road, today we're going to be checking out this Rugged Ridge Giga Hook that's going to fit your off-road vehicle. This Rugged Ridge Giga Hook is constructed out of a high-strength 4140 carbon steel. It's a massive recovery hook that's going to be compatible with either Class 3 or 4 hitches that have a 2-inch opening. It's got a 7,600 pound working load limit and has been strength tested up to 30,000 pounds. It's a spring-loaded latch for a secure attachment, and it's also available in a choice of other premium colors, including red, pink, yellow, or green. Let's get it thrown onto the back of our Dodge Ram, and I'll show you guys some of the features while it's into the hitch receiver. This is the back of our 2015 Dodge Ram. It's equipped with a Class 3 2-inch hitch. Now we're going to throw this Giga Hook inside there, see how it looks. Got a Rugged Ridge hitch pin as well. Just going to put it in there, give you guys a visual. All right, guys, just simply slide it in. Put your hitch pin in. That's all it takes to install. Honestly, this is super easy. It slides right in, and now with it in there, you're going to have a 30,000 pound capacity tow hitch on the back of your truck. I mean, you could use a hitch pin and run through your recovery rope, but that's really not what a hitch pin is meant for. It's meant for just a small nudge of force onto it. It's not going to hold up to the weight. This thing, you're out on the beach, you're out anywhere where someone gets stuck, you throw it in the back of here. It's got a nice clip, which will secure your tow rope onto the back. Make sure anyone behind you is going to get pulled out nice, easily, and safely. 30,000 pound tested strength with a 7,600 pound working load limit. It's available in many different colors to match your rig or your style, and you can find it right here at cjponyparts.com.